Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon because it will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So guys, my name is Justina, and in my channel I do food recipe. It is all about Nigerian African cooking up in here. I do mukbang, African Nigerian mukbang, and vlog, chit chat and natural hair videos. Guys, if you like any of those, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, girl, if you love food, if you love eating, then you better stick around because we do it in here like no other. In today's video, we're going to be making Ogbono soup, guys. Today is Saturday evening, and you guys know that Ogbono soup is always quick and easy to cook. Any day that you're not in the mood for, a stretch, long cooking, Ogbono soup is always quick. And with this Ogbono soup, if you saw my unpacking video, food from Nigeria, you know that we have a good ingredients to make this Ogbono soup. And we have ogiliobe. You guys know that ogiliobe take Ogbono soup to the next level. If it's the Ogbono soup is here and then you add ogiliobe, you just do shut it out into the sky. Anywho, and I'm also going to be adding bitterleaf in Ogbono soup. You just add this other flavor in it and makes Ogbono soup so special. That being said, guys, I'm going to take you guys over to my kitchen corner office, call it whatever you like, but yes, I'm going to take you guys over there, introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. You better stick around because it's about to be lit up in here in this kitchen. Guys, this is our ingredients for today. We have the Ogbono itself, and we have I wanted to show the way the Ogbono look. If you don't know, this is the Ogbono seed, right? And that is the Ogbono when you have finished grinding it. We have our crayfish, we have Maggi, we have salt. And this is my Nigerian chili. I always put it in here like this because, guys, this chili is very spicy. Once you open it, you start coughing. So that is the way it looks. Nigerian dry chili. My palm oil. That is my cooked stockfish. And that is also my cooked meat. Guys, I cooked this meat in the morning because I was cooking a cow leg, the one that has the bone in it. It takes forever. Like, it took me nearly up to 2 hours this morning to cook the cow leg. So I also, as I was cooking the cow leg, I also added some meat. So I added the chicken, and this is shaki, the towel from the cow, and this is my bitter leaf. And this is the ogiliobe. This is what I'm talking about, that it takes the Ogbono to another level, and that is my bitter leaf. Okay, so guys, in this pot, that is where we have our cow leg. So let me don't lie, like, I boiled too many meat. This one I'm setting aside for any other cooking, right? So I cook like a lot of meat this morning because sometimes I prefer to pre-cook my meat, because you guys know, like, Nigerian food takes forever to cook, and it's not all the time that you want to be spending like 2 hours, a long hour in the kitchen. Like, most of my Saturdays I just want to chill, like, so in the morning, like when I'm awake in the morning doing laundries, like, sweeping and all that, before I take my son to football match in the morning, I usually use that time, because I'm awake early, I usually use that time to boil some meat, And yeah, and that gives me a free time in the evening, because you don't want to be standing in the kitchen 2 hours straight. Like this, literally this cow leg took me 2 hours. I don't know if it's a male or female cow leg, but it took so long to cook this morning. And I keep telling myself I need to get a pressure cooker, because my friends, they keep telling me, oh, get a pressure cooker, because it cook quickly, cook like 40 minutes with a pressure cooker, whereby if you're cooking it on a pot, it takes seriously forever. Anyway, that being said, so that is our cow leg, and I'm going to add more water in this pot. So yeah, I have added more water in that pot. I am going to put the stove on and put it on and let it heat up, because you don't want to add the ogbono in cold water. You never add ogbono in cold water. You add ogbono in a boiling hot water. So I'm gonna just let that heat up, and then I will add my ogbono. So guys, I have moved my pot on the far side burner. So guys, while my meat is back in the stove trying to boil, this is my bitter leaf. I am going to parboil it, because you don't want your bitter leaf to be too bitter. It's okay to have a little bit of bitterness, but you don't want it to be extra bitter in the soup. So I'll leave that to boil for like 15 minutes. Oh yeah. So guys, the meat and the water has started boiling, and yeah, I'm going to add my stock fish in there. I'm going to add my stock fish. Okay, and I didn't tell you guys what I used to boil this meat. I only really use onion, salt, and 4 Maggi, because I was boiling big meat. Like this is extra meat that I took out from that, so I was boiling big portion of meat, so I used like 3 onions, salt, and 4 of the Maggis. That is basically all I used to boil that meat. I am going to add my ogbono. There's so many ways to cook your ogbono. You can basically take out all this meat and add your ogbono and keep stirring it, or you can also fry your ogbono with with red oil. So I'm going to add my ogbono. That is my ogbono. I'm going to just give it a stir. I'm going to allow it to bubble up very well and leave the pot open. So guys, I'm going to give it a stir. So now I am going to add the rest of my meat in this ogbono soup. So I've added all my chicken, and I'm going to add my shake. So I'm going to give it a stir. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like this and let it cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, after 10 to 15 minutes, this is what our soup is looking like. And now we are going to add our palm oil. Okay. Ooh, I need to go get another one. That is finished. So a trip to the African shop for palm oil. So yeah. So after adding our palm oil now, we're going to allow the oil to cook because you don't want the aftertaste of the oil. So we'll cover again for another 10 to 15 minutes. We go over to our bitter leaf. It is time to take this out. It has been boiling for 10 to 15 minutes now. So I'll take it out and go and rinse it. So guys, it is time to slice our bitter leaf. I have taken it out and I have washed it. I just slice it at, you know, small because the bitter leaf can be very long sometimes. So after doing that, I'll move it out of the way, and I will also pound my ogili. So this is ogiliobe. Ogiliobe is different from ogilibo. So guys, we have moved over to our pot, and it is time. It is now 10 to 15 minutes that I added the palm oil. So it is time to add our other ingredients. So we're gonna add our ogiliobe. The scent of this ogiliobe is just out of this world. The aroma, without even getting inside the soup, you can perceive the aroma of it. So I'm gonna rinse that and put it inside. We're going to add our crayfish. We will add our Nigerian chili. I'll add one and I will mix. I'm gonna taste for Maggi and salt because when I was cooking the meat, I used Maggi and I used salt. So there's nothing in it. Oh, I can taste the ogiliobe. We're gonna add salt and we will add 3 Maggi. Now you can get the taste very well. Okay, we'll add our bitter leaf. I will add it gradually because I don't want it to be too big. I just want to have enough in it, but not too much. Yeah, it's not enough. I'll add all of it. Okay, and we will turn. Oh yes, yes, can taste it very well now. And we will cover and cook it for another 10 more minutes. So guys, after 10 more minutes, our ogbono soup is ready. It is so ready. Let me taste it. And it tastes so delicious and so yummy. It is so ready. And the aroma is good. Ooh, it tastes so good as well. Yep, we're gonna take it out of the stove now. So guys, that is the look of the soup. And yes, and the aroma is wonderful. The aroma is absolutely wonderful. So this is where today's recipe is going to end. I just reduced the light so you guys can see the pretty of this soup. So I'm going to dish it. So guys, this is the end of that recipe. It looks so good, it smells so good, and it tastes so good. I love Ogbono soup because it's something that you just go inside your kitchen and you whip it up quickly without, you know, wasting too much time, and still it tastes so yummy and so delicious. Yes, I think my secret tips in the kitchen is that sometimes I don't like to spend too much time, especially when you're not up for it, when you're so tired. You just want stuff that is pre-done earlier, so once you start cooking it just goes easily. So that is why I love to pre-cook my meat. Sometimes you guys know, like, some of our meat is hard meat and it takes so much time to cook, and then sometimes you just want to do something fast, and then here you are waiting 1 hour 40 minutes for this meat to cook. And some days I just want to just bang in there 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I'm out of the kitchen, I'm relaxing with my family, and we're chilling, we're laughing, we're watching TV. And being that today is Saturday night, I do not want to spend too much time at all. So I pre-plan my cooking. So I wake up in the morning while I was doing laundry, wash up and all that. I'm a very morning person and I'm not an evening person. Like, once it's 9 o'clock, I'm gone. Like, I'm looking for bed. But I woke up so early, like sometimes 5:40, 6 a.m. So I have all those free energy in the morning. So some morning I wake up and I just go inside my kitchen and I pre-cook my meat, and that helped me out later on in the evening. And being that today is Saturday, I'm all over the place on Saturdays. Like, we woke up and yeah, do laundry and all that, and then wake the kids up, give them breakfast, and then here I am driving them to their football training, this and that. And then on top of that, you go and do shopping, you come back, you're just exhausted and you do not want to spend a whole lot of time in the kitchen. Anyway, we have made ourselves a lovely dinner. It is time for evening dinner, and I think at the moment it is it is 6 now. It is literally 3 minutes past 6 now. I just can't wait to just eat, relax, and do like movie night with the kids. They like Saturday movie night. We can just pop popcorn, relax, and do our movie night. But yeah, it's food time now and I can't wait to dive in. To dive in. Ooh, I can't wait to dive in. Anyway guys, this is where this recipe is going to end. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. Mwah.